jaguars.
We were jaguars. Oh yeah.
And we had to put our
Hammock.
Hammock
Up high.
higher.
Yeah.
There will be a charge for this till at the end of the holiday.
I've been on worse holidays. This way? That way, yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
I just don't want to get bitten by a Brazilian wandering spider. You know? I don't want to get bitten by a Brazilian wandering spider.
Spider. Oh.
Yeah, poisonous, yeah.
No, but I've seen a lot of spiders, but only enough of them poison.
None of them poisonous?
None of poison. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Look, palm trees, like palm tree.
Yeah, something like that. No good.